Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 24 by 18 lap desk. This thing is massive. This thing is super, super big. I think it's a must have for working from home, for example. If you like to work from home, work from bed, I want to say, like, probably you can have this kind of like put it on top of your legs because it comes with legs. I'm going to show everything to you in a couple minutes or a couple seconds, actually. But I do like this one because number one, is super big, so you can fit laptops up to like a gaming laptop, for example, like 17.3 inches or something like that. I'm gonna put mine in here actually, and I still have room for your mouse. And actually, the surface right here is super good for your mouse laser, so you can actually use this without any issues and depending on a mouse pad, for example. It also comes with this, so you can actually put it to kind of like lock your laptop and avoid it to keep rolling or keep falling, something like that, because you can actually put this in an inclined position as well with five actually different leg heights. And also right here, you can put your tablet or your phone, and I'm gonna show you something super good for books as well. Let's take a closer look. So let's see some of the quick good features of this one. So number one, you have legs right here, as you can see over here, and I have a lot of kind of like another leg right there. So you can have, this is the basic height, so you can actually put it in this position and put it like under, I don't know, on top of your bed if you're in bed or the couch or something like that. So that's one of the positions. But also you're gonna see that comes with kind of like two locks over here, so you can unlock this and actually put it in an inclined position, and that position actually locks in every single click. So you have different positions that you can actually put this and put your laptop, I want to say, in kind of like eye level. Let me show you super quick right here. This is my 17.3-inch laptops over here, so you can see that this one locks over here. You don't have to worry about anything, and you can open it up and have a meeting kind of like an eye level or something like that, and still have room to put your mouse over here. Of course, your mouse will fall from here because it's an inclined position, but at least you can have a meeting over here and still have so much room over there. But also, I do like the fact, let me put my laptop over here. I'm gonna unlock this right now one more time, and then you can see that comes with two locks over here, so you can actually extend the legs more if you need, and just put it up to, I want to say, 4 more positions over here. So let me see if I can unlock this one right here, just like this. So then you can see that you can go like super, super high and use this one actually to a standing desk, like a standing desk if you want, just to put this on top of your regular desk and use it as a standing desk. But some of the other good features about this one is that you can see that comes with a drawer right here. So you can use this drawer over here to actually put some cables or whatever other things you need. And then right here, you're gonna find, let me actually see if I can take it out from here. It was super easy first, but it's not super easy the second time. There we go. So you can see that you have this one over here, which you can put in this position. I'm going to show that one to you right now. So once you put it in here and you lock it down, you're going to see that you can use this to put a book, for example, or you can put your tablet if you need. You can put something to read over here while you're working, or having your laptop over here, or just a book if you need, in case that you need to take some notes, or you need to make this to like a study station or something like that. So you can use that one for your book if you need, or you can use this as well for your tablet and your phone, or just your phone and both your tablet all together, or you can actually put this one as well, and the same thing, you can use it for your phone as well. So having this, both things, I think is so cool. So again, I think that having this lap desk, this massive lap desk, could be really, really good for the home office, or just productivity, or studying and putting your book, your tablet, your laptop, your phone, your mouse, extending the legs, using the drawer, everything. I think this one is a must-have for the home office situation. I like it. I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.